Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to save your progress in a Roblox game. There is an important note. Saving progress in Roblox depend on the game itself. Most modern games automatically save your progress using the Roblox built-in data store feature, but only if the game developer guaranteed it that way. So here are the steps to save progress if the game supports it. So, number one, make sure that you're logged into your Roblox account. Then, play a game that supports auto saving. Popular games like Adopt Me, Bloxburg, Brookhaven, and more. These games automatically save your progress when you leave the game properly using the menu. You purchase or unlock something and you reach a checkpoint. And here, do not leave abruptly or disconnected. Always exit through the in-game menu or press the Roblox icon like the leave game to ensure data is stored. Then here rejoin the game later with the same account and your data will load. And if your progress isn't saving, the game might not support saving. There may be a connection issue or you left the game too quickly and the data didn't have time to upload. And that's it. That's how to save the progress in Roblox game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.